We will see how to install this car seat step by step, and hopefully you just see this once. After that, you will figure out how to do this. In the car seat, you have this 5-point harness, 1, 2, and then you see below there are 2 more, and then this is the 5th one. So it's called 5-point harness, which keeps the baby intact. And this can be adjusted from here. Once you press this, you will be able to pull this to tighten, and then pressing that button, if you pull this here, it will loosen this harness. This is the rear side of the car seat, and this is the harness extension which gets loose and tight as you press from the front. Here on the rear side, you see these are the latches which will go on to the anchor, 2 of them on side. This will give a better view, right and left here, and then one is on top. On the right side, to loosen or tighten, you have this, you press this down, and then you can loosen this or tighten this. This is how it is done. This is the rear side, and you see here, these are the anchors where those latch will come and get fixed. You have 3 at the rear. You will be using only 1 out of this. Right now I am showing this one. And the upper harness which will come here will come through this gap. So you can just make this move up like this, and then the harness will come from here. When you look at the car seat here, once you come down, you see this is one anchor and this is the other one. Let me take a closer look and show to you. You see here, this is where the anchor will come, the hook will come and sit. One here and one on the other side. This hook, which you bring it here. Here you also see the visual cues on how to set up. This is adjustable, you see. Put it like this and then bring it on the seat like this. Car seat is now placed on a seat, and this is the right anchor and the left anchor poke, and this one is the rear one. So we will start installing. You see this one, this will go like this and it makes a sound. So it's secured. To take it out, just press this and then this comes out like this. Keeping the harness loose, go and secure both sides by doing how I showed, and then this top one you drop it like this to secure at the rear end. Once all 3 are secured to anchor, tighten the strap, just pull it up. The car seat is ready. This part I showed already how to loosen and tighten the strap, and then pressing this button you can pull it down to tighten, or pressing the button pull this harness to loosen. Child's arm goes here, one arm here, one arm here, and then you close it like this. And this one you see here, this one goes in like this and like this. Once the child is seated on the car seat, just secure and make sure it is not loose and it is not too tight. That's it, guys.